What's up guys, hope you're doing good. In this video I will explain how to pass the prop firms in one trade. Taking a high quality trade at the daily liquidities make you pass the prop firms in one day, but you should wait for this trade very patiently. These types of trades in a week. These type of trades will set up only like 1 to 2 times in a week. You should wait very patiently to form up this trade and execute. Like it can easily go up to like 20 to 30 hour, but you just need 8 to 10% to pass a problem. So in this video I will exactly show you how you can take these trades. So first thing you should know is you should mark the daily liquidities. So the higher the time frame is, higher the move. If you see here, these are the daily liquidities. Why I took this trade? Because this is the daily liquidity that was taken out, and there is a huge chance for the price to reverse, as because lot of retail people will sell here. They will sell here. They will think the market will gonna reverse because of the double bottom, something shit. They will trade and all the liquidity got taken out here. Now the banks and financial institutions got liquidity to execute their positions. Now they will enter here, so we should exactly move with the banks. So I move to the 15 minutes time frame. So what happens is if the bigger level is taken out, it's easy for you to take this lot of movement. So after, what happens is in the intraday also I will wait for the sweep of the liquidity. Like there is a clean trend line forming up for the retail people. Always remember, the market always wanna trap the retail people. That's the only thing the market will do. If you understand the liquidity, you can trade any markets. If you don't understand the liquidity, you will become the liquidity. This is the famous saying. So the liquidity got taken out with speed and aggression. Why this speed and aggression candles taking out the liquidity, not the price action looking like this? Why? Because this is how the market moves. The market moves from the accumulation phase. I don't use any fancy animations or nothing. No bullshit in this video, straight to point. This is how the market works. They will accumulate the orders, means accumulation means they will buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here. So the retail people will think they should sell here, buy here. So they will place lot of liquidity. They will have buy stops too for the breakout traders. After the buy stops taken out, the smart money will sell. Same thing happens. If the breakout is like a wick, there is a wick breakout, the retail people will think the breakout is not strong, so we should not sell the market. They will think like that. So if the breakout is very strong, they will buy. So that's why if they open the buy positions, the smart money can easily sell without slippages, because these concepts are very complicated. Beginners can't understand. These are the very advanced liquidity concepts. I exactly explain why should the market take liquidity, why the market move from the liquidity to the liquidity. Nobody will tell this. They will simply tell this. The market will liquidity, after they will reverse. I am telling the mechanics why the market will move from the liquidity to the liquidity, because simply to execute their orders. Without liquidity they can't execute their orders. The liquidity is of many types. The liquidity is not like the double bottom, a trend line liquidity. There is a break even liquidity also. Let's suppose if a trend is moving like this, and here if you see the retail people are on the trend, lot of retail people are on the trend, they are making money, and they will put the stops here. They will increase the stops. They will do this. So what the market maker will do is they will take their stops, means they made some money, but they don't, the smart money don't wanna give away money to the retail people. So always hit the break even zones like that. They will do many things to take out the money from our pockets, because they are the ones taking the opposite side of our order. If we are buying, they are selling. If we are profitable, they are losing money. So they do anything to make us lose money. So these are the false chart patterns induced by the marketers and brokers. Everything is false education nowadays in the YouTube and in Instagram. Everybody is showing the fake stuff. It doesn't work. You should understand the liquidity. So here the retail chart pattern happened. Sweep, OB mitigation. I use the mitigation as a confluence. This is not my main criteria. So after that, I waited for the black candle to form. If you see this black candle formation, it swept the before candle. This is the main candle theory, and it closed as a bearish candle. So I exactly entered here. Stops exactly at the top 5 pips, 5 pip stop loss. You can just target if your prop firm is having 8% limit. You can just target if your prop firm is having like 10%. You can just do it. And I am again telling these type of trades don't form on daily basis. You should wait patiently. The person who have patience only can take these trades. Otherwise, you can't be profitable in the marketplace. These type of trades will come every time. If you see here, this is another daily liquidity. If I go to the 4-hour time frame again, this is the daily liquidity. Always these trades will come at the edge. If you see it taken out by the pip and the market reversed, and you should enter here. So that's why I'm telling in a week you can easily get like 1 to 2 trades. Can you observe again same thing? There is speed and aggression. The retail people will think the market gonna down, and the smart money people will think they should sell here. Order block clean, order block, everything is there, they will sell here, choo, and we will be in the buys here. This is exactly how we trade the marketplace. 5 pip stop loss, you just need 8 RR. You don't need all this. This is nonsense. You just take 8 RR. That's it. Pass the prop firm. This is the phase 1, phase 2. Even you take some losses in the middle, it's nothing compared to let's say if you take somewhere around loss by not identifying the zones correctly, you can increase the target. That's it, because it has potential to go like 25R to 30R. So it's very easy to go to and hit the targets. So that's why I am showing you these type of trends. Yeah, with my liquidity concepts, you can take this almost on the 1 minute chart. You can ping pong that trades, take buy, take sell, take buy, take sell. But that's all noise. If you want to keep it clean, if you have a 9 to 5 job, you can take these high quality trades and make the same money who are trading 1 minute charts. Because if you are looking at the higher time frame, it have a lot of potentials in the intraday. You can take a lot of big moves. So this is the basic criteria of the chart pattern I explained. And if you wanna join my liquidity inducement theorem and learn how I ping pong the trades using the liquidity, intraday liquidities, daily cycles, weekly cycles, lot of stuff I included in my course. If you wanna join for the 2024 mentorship, I am currently giving 30% discount on account of the Christmas and stuff. So this is the greatest opportunity you can utilize. So peace guys, hope you enjoyed the video.
My course, this is the Discord group you are added to, and all the discussion will be here. And this is the free chart where I post every trade I took and the data collection I took, everything. And there is some section for this separate mindset, and I will recommend some books. Everything is going here. And this is about the trading psychology, because at the end of the day, the psychology is the only thing that separates the profitable traders and unprofitable traders. And this is the VIP section. So this is the section where you video mentorship tab, where you will get it after joining my course. This is where you will get access to all the completed boot camps. So you can get a bonus which you will receive after joining my course. And this is the 5-step mental program that enables to control your emotions while trading. And this is the morning routine, everything. And I gave some trading affirmations where our students will chant all this affirmation before the trading time. And these are the data collection of our age. And this is the January data collection. We are up like 2% in just 1 month, and these are all the data collections in October. 19%. I will give all the access to my students, all these data collections like wins and losses, everything. And this is September month, so you will get the data collection of edge exactly, so that you can exactly know where to take the trades and everything, because nobody, no mentor will teach you the edge and show the losses. This is honest mentorship. If you wanna join and change your life, this is the best opportunity, and take